Ordered some ink refills off Amazon for my pocket brush. Came from Japan. Not my typical packaging for my pocket brush. This says FP10 on it, so I'm hoping it's going to fit. Just let the camera focus on that for a minute. Let's see what else we got in the bag. So we ordered 3 packages. There should be 3 in each package. That's my pocket brush there, so it should fit. It's not Pentel, unless that's what that says, Pentel. Anybody speaks Japan, or reads Japan, let me know if that says Pentel. Let's open it up. See what we got. Oh, I got 4. There's 4 little cartridges in there. Let's open it. Yes, sir. Pentel. Each little cartridge is full of wet ink. I'm going to insert this into my pocket brush. I'll show you what a pocket brush is in a second. Excuse me, I'm still getting over my cold. Oh, where's my focus? There it is. So they all say FP10. We're going to find out if they're going to fit. Let's see what else we got. What is this? Japanese Candy Ninja. JapaneseCandyNinja.com. If you are a Japanese sweet lover, don't miss our website by subscription. You can get a different box every month. And they send you a box of Japanese candies. I'm going to have to check that out. What else we got? There's something else in here and I'm not sure what it is. Oh, wait, Dill's got something to say.
This is what I draw.
Oh, let's see. Hang on, let the camera focus. Back it up, Dill. It's gonna focus. Bring it in a little bit.
That's what I drawed, everybody.
That's Venom, right?
Yeah.
What's Venom from?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
If you know,
really
comment
cool,
down below if you're going to see.
Oh, there we go. It's focused.
Comment down below if you're going to see the new Venom movie.
Yep. Give us a thumbs up if you're going to go see Venom.
I am.
Here, Dale. Alright. Let's see. This is a little origami that was inside that package. Not entirely sure what it is. It's definitely folded out. It could be a swan or a duck, maybe? I'm not entirely sure what that is, but that's very cool. Right from Japan. A little folded up origami. How cool is that? Alright, so my little bag of tricks here. I've got 2 pocket brushes. I ordered them both separately at different times, so one is actually full and one is empty. And focus. Inside we had a brush. This one here, you can tell, camera focus. See how the bristles are kind of sticking out everywhere? That's my dry one. That means I ran out of ink. I'll show you in comparison to the full one. The full one is nice and pointy. Okay? That means this one's full and wet. This one here I've been using as a dry brush effect, which means it puts out a little bit of ink, not too much. It gives me a smudging effect when I'm inking, one here we're going to refill. To refill it, you unscrew the base, and you've got the little cartridge, and it should say Pentel FP10 right on it, which is identical to the ones I just ordered. Perfect. I was a little worried since it didn't come in the same package that I'm normally used to. So what you do is you unplug it. Focus. Okay, I just unplugged it. Grab the new one. Can't really see. There's little teeth right here. Those little teeth are going to puncture right inside there. I'm just going to set the ink through. Just click it in the spot. Put it in place. And screw the base back on. Just put the cap on it. And, excuse me for a minute, I'll grab a sheet of paper. Preferably one that doesn't have drawings on it. I'm going to fold it in half so I don't get ink on the cabinet in case it bleeds through. This is just printer paper. Focus. There we go. So, I'm going to do a few practice strokes. See if we can get that ink to flow. I'm going to bring this up. See how it kind of looks rough and smudgy? That's dry brush. That was the effect that I was using. Let's see if we can get these bristles flowing here. Yeah, bub.
Do you know why Drew's making that noise?
Is he locked in that room? Open the door.
Right there.
Oh, he probably sees a bird. Yeah, yeah, he probably sees a bird. Trying to get the ink to come out a little bit. I'll show you the difference. This is my full one. I'll stand on this side. Oh, gross. There we go. This one here, for some reason, say it's been dry for too long. Let's see if we can get the ink to flow better. We've got Astro Boy, the movie, playing in the background. Getting darker? Not entirely sure. Yep, as soon as we're done. You have one in mind? No? It's just a matter of trying to work the ink into the bristles. What for? Where?
What?
I will in a minute. Let me see. Oh. Oh! It's getting darker. I think it might be. Taking a little bit. Is that movie over, bud? Shut it off here. Is it working? It's getting darker. Definitely getting darker. Yeah. It's just taking a little while for the ink to come through, but there it is. We are back in business. I'm not making anything. I'm trying to get my ink to come back into my bristles. My little pocket brush. I just put a new cartridge inside.
Can I try? Can I try that?
Only on the paper, okay?
Yeah. Can I make a little happy face?
Yeah. We got Dill gonna make a happy face for us. Is there a lot of ink coming out? I know. That brush has been dry for a long time, so I'm surprised it actually worked. That's really cool. You got hair on it? How come it's got 3 eyeballs? That's his nose? Oh. Kind of looks like a pumpkin. It looks like there's lots of ink coming out of it now, Dale. Keep doing it. There you go. Good fella.
Spider.
So I've got a ton of refills. That was just one box.
There's no face Spider-Man.
I've got 3 boxes.
Maybe can I do it? Like,
Don't kick my tripod.
I think I got it. You need to go gently.
You gotta do it gently.
See?
I got 3 boxes, and there should be 4 in each box. I'm gonna check them out here. I thought there was only 3.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
See, you have to do it gently. Look, see?
Oh, that one's got 4 inside as well.
Dad.
Focus. It's too dark.
Dad.
Each box has got 4 inside.
Dad, you have to do it gently.
It's fantastic. I got all kinds of ink. I got these cheap from Japan on Amazon. A lot cheaper than it is for 2 refills
Dad.
here in our part of the world. I'm super excited
Dad,
to
so you have to do it gently.
There you go, Bob. The ink is flowing now. Nice.
This is how you make a Superman first of it.
A what?
This is how you make Superman S.
Superman's S?
Yeah, that's how
Shaped like a diamond.
a diamond?
Yeah.
Not like this.
Kind of like this. Let me see. I'll show you. Superman's S. Like this. Shaped like a diamond.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
So it goes up.
You just use it up because I want the ink to flow through
So you
real
have to go
good.
like this. And this. This.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. And connect it to the bottom. Nope, just connect it right to the bottom. Kind of.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Let me try.
Try again.
Like that. Okay.
You're running out of paper. Grab a new sheet.
Just wait a minute, people. Wherever you
There you go. Try that. You want me to do another one?
Yeah.
Alright. Go straight across. Pay attention. Watch this. Go straight across. Down on an angle. Down on an angle. And then you connect them at the Right? Would it be easier with the normal pen and not the brush?
No, this is good. So you go like this.
Straight across the top, then on an angle,
That. And
on an angle, and then connect them at the bottom. Just like it.
I'm going to put an S.
Yeah, and then put the S in the middle.
And look. It's traced.
Let's see what we got. That is a Superman S. Very cool deal.
Yep, and you do his rest of his body.
Good job.
This is how you do the rest of his body.
That's what I do. What are you doing the rest of his body? Alright. Again,
And
that's my Pentel pocket brush. That's the old ink. Completely empty. It's been empty for quite a while. My bristles were quite dry.
Superman!
This is the new cartridge full
I
of
did-
ink, which we just put one into this one. We
I
ended
do-
up having to milk it a little bit, but it actually came through.
I do a lot better than that.
Huh?
I do a lot better than that.
Well, you're using a brush that you've never used before, and I'm pretty impressed that you've done that. So you gotta be happy, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
This is how you make a dot happy
Oh,
face.
I swear, so you're just gonna keep going, aren't you? A what?
Dot happy face.
Dot happy face. Oh, yeah, okay, I see. So there's two eyes. And
This is how you make a dot house.
Oh my gosh, a dot house. We almost done. Probably shut this off soon. Why are you making a dot house? Oh, okay. I keep clearing my throat, but I'm just getting over this terrible cold. Yes, that's a lovely house. What's that, a chimney?
Yep,
Yeah,
I'm
I
ready.
knew it. Don't forget, you put your door. That's all. And oh no.
Oh, man.
What's the matter? Oh, because you're standing on your tippy toes, trying to reach the cabinet. There, very good. Awesome. Thanks, Dale. That was my lovely assistant, Dylan, showing you the Pentel pocket brush after I refilled it. Any last words, Dale? Before I shut it off? No? Oh, we have words of wisdom. What do you want to say? He's waiting. I'm going to shut this off while we're waiting. It's going to take all night. All right. Thanks for stopping in.